Construction. A construction is an imaginary drawing which required points and lines are determined by use of just two idealized instruments, a compass and a straight edge. The basic rules governing the use of these two permissible instruments are as follows. Straight edge can be used only to draw lines, and a compass can be used to mark off two equal segments and to construct circles or arcs of circles. Take note that neither the protractor or the marks on the rulers can ever be used for construction purposes. Let's have an example. Construct a ray which bisects a given angle. To construct a ray bisecting angle ABC with B as center and any convenient radius, construct an arc intersecting ray BA in R and ray BC and S. With R and S as centers and a radius greater than 1/2 RS, construct arcs intersecting at X. Draw ray BX. Ray BX is the desired ray. For justification, if ray XS and ray XR are drawn, triangle RBX is congruent to triangle SBX. Therefore, angle RBX is equal to angle SBX. As illustrated in the given example, the complete solution to a construction problem consists of a statement of the required construction in words, the given, all given data illustrated and expressed in terms of a lettered figure or figures, lit to construct, the required construction expressed in terms of the given data, the constructed figure, all essential points, arcs, and segments shown. Steps. A description of all steps taken in the construction. Justification. An argument and paragraph form supporting the validity of the construction.